Hi everybody, this is Virendra Jagdali and now I am showing you the demo of natural language processing assignment. It's project 6A Parser. This is the part of hardware course Introduction to Artificial Intelligence using Python. We are using NLTK library to handle parsing, that is the process of determining the structure of the sentence. It is the most common task in natural language processing. So first we will try to parse different sentences and test whether parser is working or not. The result should be the last noun phrases in the tree. So let's start with some simple sentence. Yeah, and the sentence was Holmes sat, and this parser is parsing it correctly, noun phrase and verb phrase. So let's start, try some other sentences. See, here also it is passing. One passing is like it is treating noun phrase as a pipe, and another parser, a tree, it is treating noun phrase pipe as a separate one and determinant as a. So there we can get different trees. Here also it is passing correctly. So sentence is we arrived the day before Thursday. So we, day and Thursday are noun, and it is noun phrases are we, day and Thursday. So here also it is passing it. This complete sentence is my companion smiled an enigmatical smile. So let's see whether it is working for conjunctional sentences. Just 1 minute. Yeah, see here the sentence is Holmes sat down and lit his pipe. So here also it is working, it is doing the parsing. On one tree it is showing Holmes as a noun phrase and his pipe as another noun phrase, and other tree it is passing as a Holmes as a single noun phrase and pipe as a noun phrase. So okay, this sentence is little bit tricky, but parser is able to parse it correctly, but we are getting many different trees. So looks like the parser is working fine. So we can see whether the incorrect statement, if it is, our parser is able to handle it. So this armchair on the sat Homes, this is incorrect and our parser should not parse it. So let's check whether it is working or not. So I am trying to run. See here parser is not passing that one, so we are one way avoiding the over parsing. And there is one more tricky requirement. As per this specification, any word that doesn't contain at least one alphabetic character should be excluded from the return list. So if suppose there is some sentence like this one, so Tendulkar never said a word until we were at the door here. So this should be treated as a noun. I added this in noun phrase, as a Tendulkar, and also I added one more noun as a Dulkar. So now let's see whether this should pass it correctly, and it should treat it as a alphanumeric. Okay, so here it is correctly passing. This Tendulkar, word, we, do, these are the noun phrases. So now if we try to separate this one, so as per requirement it should ignore 10 and continue with Dulkar never said that sentence. So let's check whether it is ignoring that one, or our parser is returning the list without 10. Yes, so it is still working, and it is ignoring the 10 number, and it is taking next as a Dulkar because we already added this as a noun. So we are fulfilling all the requirements. Thank you.